Now last year, we introduced all of Jio's applications on the JioPhone. And we made a promise that the world's most used applications will soon be available to you on the JioPhone.
Today, we're delivering on that promise. We are proud to announce to you that we're bringing you 3 of the most popular apps in the world. 1, YouTube. 2, Facebook. And 3, WhatsApp, specially built for the JioPhone. Let's take a quick look of how these will work on the JioPhone. Can we please mirror mine and Kiran's JioPhones onto the presentation screen?
Okay, let me open YouTube on the JioPhone. YouTube chalao. Sanju teaser.
देवियों और सज्जनों, खुशी की पेटी बांध लीजिए, मौसम बिगड़ने वाला है।
As you can see, YouTube works just as well on the JioPhone as it does on any Android or iOS phone.
Now, the Facebook experience on the JioPhone. Open Facebook. You can view posts, pages, photos, and videos. Pretty much everything.
Akash, why don't we check in to the Birla Matosri Hall right now on Facebook?
Yes, let's do exactly that. Done.
Wow. This Facebook experience is absolutely on par with any other iOS or Android experience. Next, Akash, let's check out the world's most favorite messaging app, WhatsApp.
Happy to Isha. Open WhatsApp. Oh, I see that Kiran has already sent me a message. Let me send you a quick reply.
Got it. Wow, that was fast and simple.
Globally, billions use WhatsApp. It works on many operating systems and now on the JioPhone as well. JioPhone users can send WhatsApps to other JioPhone users as well as to Android, iOS, and all other operating systems. On behalf of everyone at Jio, I want to thank the individual teams of Facebook, WhatsApp, and YouTube for dedicating their time and resources to bring their applications to the JioPhone.
At Jio, we're obsessed with customer feedback and innovating based on the feedback that we receive. There were 2 pieces of feedback that we consistently received. First, a wish for a horizontal screen viewing experience. And second, a wish for a full keypad. Based on this, we're excited to bring to you a high-end model of the JioPhone, the JioPhone 2. JioPhone 2 is powered with a horizontal screen display, a full keyboard, and many more advanced features. The existing JioPhone model and JioPhone 2 will both be available side by side in the market. You can choose whichever model suits your needs best.
Now let's move on to Jio GigaFiber and, of course, Jio Smart Home Solutions. Let's take a look at what your home will look like when it becomes a smartphone home with Jio GigaFiber.
First, Jio will install the Jio Giga router at your premise. This will give you an ultra-fast internet connection with gigabit per second speeds. With Jio GigaFiber, internet का मजा ही कुछ और है. This router will also give you wall-to-wall high-speed Wi-Fi coverage. Next, we connect the second device, the Jio Giga TV set-top box, to your large screen TV. With this set-top box, you'll be able to watch 600 plus TV channels, thousands of movies, millions of songs, and every other type of content possible, at your will, at any time. You can now enjoy all your entertainment content in ultra-high definition in 4K resolution. This is like having a theater in your home. And that's not all. We've enabled our powerful voice command feature on the TV as well. You can simply tell the Jio remote what you want and it will play it immediately on your TV. This is revolutionary. It changes the way India will watch TV, especially when voice command is available in multiple Indian languages. Bhasha Anek, Bharat Ek.
Now let's move to another powerful feature, TV calling. Jio was built to connect us to our loved ones. When Jio's mobility services were launched 2 years ago, video calling was one of the most loved features. Now, we're bringing to you video calling to your TV. With Jio TV calling, you can call every other TV that is powered by Jio Giga Fiber. But that's not all. You can also call a mobile or tablet connected to any network. Of course, the best experience will still be on the Jio network. Just imagine, every child in a Jio Giga Fiber home will have live access to the world's best educational content and the best teachers. Anyone with a health problem can get real-time consultations with the best doctors and receive the best medical advice right at home.
Wow. And it goes beyond that. Just add a virtual reality headset to your Giga Fiber, and you can now have full 360-degree 3D virtual reality, again in 4K resolution, right in your living room. You can instantly and digitally transport yourself into an alternative universe of your choice, whether it is real or imaginary. Now you don't have to step outside the comfort of your home to go window shopping or to visit a tourist destination, or to immerse yourself in a fantasy adventure game.
Gone are the days of Mbps, now it will be all about Gbps. Not mega, but gigabytes per second. Akash and Kiran, I'm sure you remember the primitive internet speeds we used to get at home before Jio launched, and the complete absence of any digital services. With Jio Giga Fiber, every Indian home will become the most connected home in the world.
Wow.
Last in today's presentation, but certainly not the least, let us look at Jio's revolutionary smart home solutions. With some simple accessories that Jio will provide, every appliance, every plug point, every switch in your house will become smart, which means that they can be securely monitored and controlled from anywhere and everywhere. Now, you can have smart cameras giving you 24/7 security monitoring and alerts, even when you're not at home. Live video surveillance and video doorbells ensure that you and your family are always protected.
With some more accessories that Jio will provide, you can control and monitor every aspect of your home. Temperature, lighting, electrical appliances, gas and water leakage, motion detection, opening and closing doors and windows, even remotely caring for babies and the elderly. Imagine controlling your entire home directly from the MyJio application.
At this point, I am sure you are all wondering how long it will take to set up your dream smart home. This is the best part about Jio Giga Fiber. our engineers will come in and set up Jio GigaFiber and all the smart home capabilities in as short as 1 hour. Jio GigaFiber brings many more exciting features, and we don't have time today to share all of them, but I'm sure these services will delight you in true Jio style. Thank you all, and let me now invite our chairman back onto the stage.
Thank you.